Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. All links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today, we're diving into a review of Revolut, found at https://www.revolut.com. Revolut has positioned itself as a modern financial super app, offering a wide array of services aimed at simplifying money management, particularly for those who travel or transact internationally. Their platform boasts features like currency exchange at interbank rates, international money transfers, budgeting tools, and even investment options, all accessible through a sleek mobile app. While the core offering revolves around a multi-currency account that lets you hold and exchange dozens of currencies, they've expanded considerably to encompass features traditionally offered by separate financial institutions. This includes virtual and physical debit cards, premium metal cards with added perks, and even cryptocurrency trading. Revolut operates on a tiered subscription model, with the free tier providing a solid foundation of services while the paid tiers unlock increased limits, additional features, and premium benefits. The appeal lies in its potential to replace several different financial apps with a single, unified platform. However, it's important to thoroughly investigate the specific features and limitations of each tier to determine if Revolut aligns with your individual financial needs and preferences. Understanding the fee structure, exchange rate markups, if any, and the customer service reputation is crucial before committing. This review will explore the various aspects of the Revolut ecosystem, including its strengths, weaknesses, and how it compares to traditional banking and other fintech alternatives. We'll examine the user experience, security measures, and the overall value proposition, helping you decide if Revolut is the right financial tool for you. They've made a significant splash in the fintech space, but it's important to look beyond the marketing and understand the practical implications of using their services. We'll cover everything from setting up an account to navigating the app's interface and utilizing its diverse features. So, stick around as we delve into the world of Revolut and uncover what it truly has to offer.